How to find dividend paying stocks inside of Robinhood. If you're trying to invest in a stock that provides dividends on a regular basis, let me show you the way that you find it inside of Robinhood. Now to get started, from the home page, you'll see the list of stocks that are listed. In order to know if a particular stock provides dividend or not, you can just open up their profile inside of Robinhood. So for example, if I open up Coca-Cola, and if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see this section called Dividend Yields. If a stock does indeed pay out dividends, you're gonna see this section called Dividend Yields, and if a particular stock does not pay out dividends, you do not see this section right here. Now there's no separate section inside of Robinhood where you can segregate stocks that do pay out and don't pay out dividends. Instead, what you'll need to do is head over to Google, or you can also use ChatGPT to search out for a list of companies that do indeed pay out dividends. So that was the video about the way that you find dividend paying stocks. I do hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.